what are the current trends in the computer hardware platforms? Like what are the different trends? Mobile digital platforms, we have it, smartphones, netbooks, tablets, computers, digital e-book readers, apps like Kindle, and wearable devices. So, book reading is a very good habit, and at least 1 hour in a day, you should have some time specific, anytime for reading any book out of your course as well. So it's very good habit if you go for Kindle or Audible. Especially some people have problem in reading, so Audible is also is a very good choice for them to read the new books, especially for inspiration. Inspiration is very important because there are different factors for the success of a human being. Some are like genetical, some are like your environment around you, that in which environment you are like studying and working. Like for example, some students in the Harvard and Stanford, they will have their different environment. Here you will have different environment. The students in Africa, they will have different environment over there. So environment also plays a very important role. And the third thing is the inspiration you get from some personality, some like a poet or something like a leader or someone. So you get inspiration from that. So there are like three or four different perspective in your life. So it helps you to be a successful man in your future, inshallah. So now we have like a wearable devices, crowded areas, when you have kids or some. So it's better to make them, or for school especially, if there's any problem in school, so they can reconnect with you as well. So yeah, these kind of wearable devices are very helpful. Or even you can track your kids, okay, or even your employees within the organization. Although it is like against the privacy rules, but sometimes for good purposes you can use it in the organization as well. And also for small kids to track their, so that they could not go to the dangerous place. So
That's a
wearable
smart idea.
devices, they have a lot of usages in the health, in security, and the different other aspects of the life. Yeah. Then we have customization. Okay, so we talk about these like digital things over there, and then we have a consumerization of IT and the BYOD. This is a new concept, and recently I saw a research article on it published by one of the professor in the UK. If I find that article, I will share with you. What is BYOD? It's a very new thing. Bring your own device, especially in this pandemic. Uh, People avoid to use the outside devices because of the touch. Okay, so what you can do, you can do some of the operation, IT operation, by using all devices. Like for example, you pay Sadat through your own devices, you can easily do that one. Okay, or if you go to the McDonald's, so they have the IT devices. Okay, so you don't want to touch them, so you can bring your own mobile and then like select the menus and all this thing, and then go ahead over there. So that is called bring your own device, BYOD. This is a new thing. So forces business and IT departments to rethink how IT equipments and service are acquired and managed over there. So this is like a new concept. It's very recent information. Might be you also heard it first time.